This is Dream Chasers 99414365111, a training center in Chennai. www.dreamchasersindia.com. We are going to look at what is repo rate and what is reverse repo rate. Now, repo rate or repurchase rate is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India will lend short-term money to the banks. So, right now the repo rate is 8%. So banks can borrow from the RBI at 8%, which they can use for giving more loans and so on. The reverse repo is the rate at which the banks can give their excess money to the RBI in the short term. So that is currently fixed at 7%. It has been decided that the reverse repo rate in India will be 100 basis point less than the actual repo rate. So repo rate is 8%, reverse repo rate is 7%, which means the RBI will lend at 8%, it will take back money at 7% if it wants. So if the RBI wants to give more money and inject liquidity into the system, which means inject more cash into the economy, they will reduce the repo rate. A reduction in repo rate will mean the banks can now borrow money at a lower rate. So it is good for them. While an increase in the repo rate will mean that the banks will now have to pay higher amount, so it is not good, hence it will reduce the liquidity.